Hi there. I'm back again with another video. But first, I just want to show you a few things that I got in. It's not worth me doing a whole separate video of it. These are some striping brushes that I ordered from AliExpress, and it came with this striping tape. But these are the mermaid tail striping brushes. They are very cute. And this brush, I got this from Amazon, and it's a number 2. And I said I was going to try to use that to do my marbling. And this also, I got this from AliExpress. And this is a 9mm striper. Now, I cannot believe that I have not done any jelly nails on this channel. I have some pictures of jelly nails that I've done on my Facebook and YouTube, but I don't have any that I have done on this channel. So I decided that I was going to do some jelly nails. This pinky. And all I did, these are homemade jellies. All I did was take some clear top coat, gel top coat, and mix it with some alcohol inks in order to make the jelly effect. Just to mix the top coat with the alcohol inks. I did add a little more alcohol ink. All right, now this is the finished product. I did go in with a third coat on each one except for the red. And these are my version of jelly nails. And these are my nails. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Don't forget, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Bye-bye.